Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best gas pressure washers that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot 3200 SI Gas Pressure Washer. Simpson Cleaning is a brand with a history of more than 60 years in the pressure washer industry, renowned for producing durable and reliable power washers that have an industrial design. The Simpson MegaShot MSH3125 gas pressure washer is a powerful unit suited for light and medium cleaning tasks. These tasks include washing surfaces such as garage doors, fences, sidewalks, outdoor furniture, patios, and preparing outdoor walls for painting jobs. The Simpson MegaShot MSH3125 stands out among its competitors due to its superior quality engine and pump, which provide a reliable uniform flow, even with prolonged use. This cleaning unit is equipped with a GC190 engine powered by Honda that generates 3200 psi at a maximum water flow rate of 2.5 GPM, totaling 7750 cu. The Simpson MegaShot MSH3125 gas power washer is supplied with an OEM Technologies axial cam pump that requires no maintenance. The pump's crankcase is filled with oil by the manufacturer and does not require regular lubricant changes, reducing the need for further investment in maintenance. The Simpson's Cleaning MegaShot MSH3125 gas pressure washer costs around $400. The Simpson MegaShot MSH3125's pump is made of non-corrosive anodized die-cast aluminum, and the nozzle tips included in the package are made of stainless steel. These high-quality materials are what give this pressure washer a long lifespan. The accessories of the Simpson's MegaShot MSH3125 power washer include an abrasion resistance. Number 2, Westinghouse WPX 3200 gas-powered pressure washer. Westinghouse manufactures both electric and gas pressure washers and has 50 years of experience making these machines. Want to pressure wash with peace of mind? The Westinghouse WPX 3200 spray gun features a locking trigger to ensure complete and safe shutoff, so you don't have to worry about accidental startups. This pressure washer also has 5 quick connect nozzles, so you can adjust for the cleaning task at hand and keep your surfaces safe from damage. The Westinghouse WPX 3200 has a maintenance-free axial pump, so you can focus on removing the grime instead of maintaining the tool. This robust machine rolls on 12-inch wheels for easy transport and has a 1.6-liter soap tank. The budget-friendly WPX 2700 has a class-leading 212cc 4-stroke engine that's easy to start despite the larger-than-average size. It produces 2700 psi at 2.3 GPM. The spray gun can be fitted with one of 4 quick connect nozzles, 1 for soap delivery and 3 for different spray patterns. It connects to the pump via 25 feet of abrasion-resistant hose. At half a gallon, the detergent tank is big enough to tackle large areas without frequent refills. A weight of 63 pounds combined with 12-inch wheels also makes it very maneuverable. Number 3, Simpson Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot Gas Pressure Washer. Simpson is one of the highest-rated brands in the gas pressure washer industry, renowned for its reliable products. This brand specializes in the production of residential and commercial cleaning units that suit even the most pretentious customers' needs. The Simpson PowerShot PS60843 is a heavy-duty gas pressure washer that is reliable and long-lasting. The PowerShot series was created for contractors whose work involves wood restoration, deck cleaning, graffiti removal, wall paint preparation, and many more commercial cleaning services. This pressure washer is also suited for residential de-cleaning tasks that include removing tough stains from driveways, patios, and more. The Simpson PowerShot PS60843 is renowned among its competitors because it is easy to start and delivers high performance levels. The Simpson PowerShot PS60843 is powered by a powerful 420cc engine manufactured by Simpson. This motor generates up to 4400 psi at a maximum water flow of 4 GPM. The PowerShot PS60843 has 17,600 cu, which is perfect for tough cleaning jobs. This pressure washer is accompanied by an AAA triplex plunger pump with oil seal technology that provides an even and consistent water flow even for prolonged use. The Simpson PowerShot PS60843 package includes a trigger gun, a wand, a detergent siphon tube that has a filter, a 50 feet monster hose, 5 quick connect nozzle tips, and a pack of engine oil. Number 4 Simpson Cleaning MS60763S MegaShot 3100 Psi Gas Pressure Washer. Simpson is one of the most famous pressure washer brands, with a history of over 60 years in the gas pressure unit industry. The Simpson MegaShot MS60763 is a gas pressure washer suited for a variety of cleaning tasks, such as washing painted or frail surfaces, outdoor furniture, patios, decks, house siding, concrete, and other rough surfaces. The Simpson MegaShot MS60763 stands out because it offers maximal performance at low costs. This unit is equipped with a Kohler RH265 engine that can deliver a maximum pressure rate of 3100 psi at 2.4 GPM. This engine is designed for residential cleaning and is easy to start. The unit costs around $350 and is relatively affordable for a gas pressure washer that delivers a total of 7440 cu. The Simpson MegaShot MS60763 comes with an onboard axial cam pump that uses OEM technologies. The pump's crankcase is made of die-cast aluminum, which prevents corrosion and is sealed in order to avoid contamination. The Simpson MegaShot MS60763 comes with the following accessories: 5 nozzles, an ergonomic easy-to-use spray gun, a wand, a 25 feet high pressure hose, and a siphon tube that has an included filter. The Simpson MegaShot MS60763's components are made of high-quality materials like aluminum, solid steel, and hard plastic that expand the lifespan of the unit. Number 5 Simpson Cleaning ALH4240 Aluminum Series Gas Pressure Washer. Simpson Cleaning is one of the world-leading companies that is specialized in the production of gas pressure washers. The high quality and ease of use of its cleaning units make it one of the top choices even among the most pretentious customers. The Simpson Aluminum ALH4240 is a powerful gas pressure washer designed for professionals that focus on wood restoration, deck cleaning, graffiti removal, and various other professional cleaning jobs. This unit is also suited for cleaning tasks and can be used for residential operations. The Simpson Aluminum ALH4240 gas pressure washer is unique because it combines optimum performance with durability. This power washer is equipped with a Honda GX390 engine that can deliver up to 4200 psi and 4 GPM, totaling 16,800 cu, which makes this unit suitable for heavy-duty jobs. The GX390 is a powerful model that has an oil shutdown feature that protects the engine when the oil levels are too low. The pump of the Simpson Aluminum ALH4240 is an industrial triplex model powered by CAT that has ceramic-coated pistons. This pump has a thermal relief valve that reduces overheating. The bypass mode allows the water to recirculate inside the pump when the trigger is not pressed in order to keep the engine running. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.